Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I got a freight train coming through here at Beaconsfield at the footbridge. That's cool. He actually blew for me. Or maybe he blew for the people that pass by. I don't know. It's not often they blow the horn because of bylaws. And really enjoying those colors. The fall foliage looks really great in the sun, which just came out today. So it's Tuesday, 20th of October 2020 at around 4:30 p.m. Really cool stack train headed west. Auto racks. That's cool. Yeah, if you're a graffiti artist, go big or go home, I guess. It's always cool to see big lettering on these auto rack trains. And here comes the last car. Yeah, it was worth the walk coming up here from Beaconsfield Station. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.